you go. Hi, back here on the Happy Project, Ken Orcutt and Happy Ron project. We call it the Happy Project. We're driving our pin piles. We're down to, how many pins do we have? This is Tony, one of our carpenters, and Keoki's behind the camera, but Keoki and we've been working here as a team. So what do we have left here, Tony?
We drilled 3 this morning. We got 2 left to go.
It looks like we've got most of them pushed over already. I'll jump down here. You can see the pipes that we've driven. The plate is already underneath, and we have this big nut there that's supporting. That's what's supporting it. You can see down here at the end, this is one that we haven't pushed over yet. They finished driving this. The next step is we push that over. We have a, what do we use to do that?
Pump jack.
Pump jack, and then that pushes over. So once we get the last 3 done here, then we'll be tying our rebar and creating the concrete bond beam, and then we'll set a form and we'll be pouring concrete. And so the one thing, we had one little unforeseen item, and that's footings out here. Tell us what we found out here, Tony.
Pretty big footings. We dug down about 2 feet and found out that they're about 4 feet deep. We got to dig those up and remove those before we set the other pin piles for the deck.
Yeah, and that's what we decided. We had an option for footings without pin piles, a little larger footings. But there's two things that's happened here. First, like Tony just said, we found the existing footings, and by the time we remove those, it's going to be deep, and we're not down to native soil. And also out here by our wall, this ground is all soft because we excavated to put the walls in and the drainage. So to ensure that we're not going to have future settling problems or issues, we're going to remove the concrete and go ahead and drive 3 pins on our 3-point loads, and then our footing will go on top of the pins, and that'll help make sure that the deck, or we don't have any more movement. So everything's going really well. We were hopefully we will be done with driving the pins here today. That looks like just like we thought as far as our planning goes. And then Monday or Tuesday, depending on how this afternoon goes, we'll drive the final 3 pins, and then we'll be in the pouring concrete stage, and then we'll be out of the dirt. So with that, have a great day.